Artwork Fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here we'll be looking at the artist. What I always recommend to my students is to have a big bold picture of the artist that they have selected on one page. So I have for them picture of the artist in the content page. So this would be the example of how you can put it in your journal. Alright, this is a simple and easy way if you're running out of time. Alright, I will show you in the series how you can decorate the pages and stuff like that. So after you have found your bold clear picture of the artist, at the bottom you're going to put the name, the type of artist, the birth, the date, if not this could be taken out, nationality, okay, under that. Now, one thing you must remember about the artist is that number one, it must be a local or Caribbean artist. Number two, must relate to your theme and or expressive form and or style of the artwork. Alright, so what I mean by that, so let's say your theme is cats, alright, and try to find an artist that does cats also. If not, you can use the expressive form. So let's say your expressive form is painting, right? And the artist has done something similar to what you're doing. You could choose that artist based on the expressive form that he is doing. Or let's say the style of the artwork is similar to yours. You could use that artist as a reference to compare your work to his or her work. All right, so it could be the style, the form, or the theme. All right, those are three of the main reason why you would select a specific artist. All right, or that artist could have been an inspiration for you a long time ago, and you realize that you have somewhat copied or make your work similar to that artist. Then you could use that artist. Number three, one page, big, clear, and bold picture of the artist. So this is it right here. So I think I'm gonna put this at the top. Alright guys, so I've corrected it. So I would explain first, show you the example of how to write it. Good. So this is how it should be, okay guys? Now when you're doing your journal, this is just to help you to understand what that content is about, what that page is about. So this is not included in the journal. It's just this should be on the page, the picture of the artist and these. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.